The man who was the lion on the battlefield, who was the epitome of justice and the helper of poor and orphans. And this man was Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, the son-in-law and the brother of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, who got attacked with a poisoned sword by Abdul Rahman ibn Muljim during prostration when he was offering morning prayers on 19th of Ramzan at Masjid-e-Kufa in Iraq. After battling for his life, Hazrat Ali alayhi salam succumbed to injuries on 21st of Ramzan. This day is observed as the martyrdom of the savior of humanity, who is Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. The Grand Majalis and the morning procession is a tradition in Lucknow which was started by Sayyid Hassan Mirza in 1870 on 21st of Ramzan. This procession completed its 145 years in Singh this year. The procession of carrying the Taboot, that is the coffin of Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, starts from Najaf situated in Lucknow and culminates at Karbala Talkatora. When the procession reaches Hyderganj, the coffin is covered with a century-old black piece of cloth brought by Hassan Mirza when he visited Najaf-e-Ashraf in Iraq. Due to this, it is popularly known as Hassan Mirza Taboot. When the Azadari was stopped in Lucknow during 1978 to 1998, then the coffin was not allowed to bring out from Najaf. So the organizers used to complete the procession in Najaf's premises itself by doing Majlis and Matam from 19th of Ramzan to 21st of Ramzan. Otherwise, the procession has been taken out every single year, and every year the number of people increases who come to present their condolence to Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. 21वीं को उठ गया दुनिया का बादशाह, 21वीं को उठ गया दुनिया का बादशाह, मैयत हसन हुसैन ने रोकर उठाई है।